Oh, it got the plastic on it. Rip me out the plastic, I've been acting brand new. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Harmo back with another freaking video. Welcome if you're new, or back if you're not. Thank you, AzureBeauty, for sponsoring this video. Today I'll be doing my nails with this nail kit. It's their Vibrant Nude nail kit. This is so stinking cute. Yes, it comes with their 3-step polish, 4-step polish, and their brush, their dip, and their buffer, and their colors. These are the colors. Get into it. Yes. And of course it comes with their extra brushes. If y'all haven't seen my other review on their other kit, right here, I don't know which side it's on, y'all. Don't quote me. I'm gonna put the card up though. Yes, go check that video out to see my other kit that I reviewed. But yeah, look. Period. This is a simple, easy kit. This kit is only $25.99, so $26, including tax, probably like $27, $28-ish, depending on if you're paying for shipping or not. Yeah, this is quick, easy, beginner friendly. If you're not trying to get into all the acrylic and monomer, all that extra stuff, this is the way to go. I switch my nails in and out when I'm going out and stuff. I take them off during track season, which is year-round for me. So since I've been doing summer track, I've been taking them off, putting them back on, taking them off, putting them back on. This video I did a pink set. It was so pretty and sparkly. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. First, I start with clean nails. I get my nail tips because I like a little length added onto my nails. It's optional. You do not have to use nail tips. You can just use your regular nails. I size them. After I size them, I just put on super glue, like, not super glue, nail glue, put them on, and I file them and shape them so they could be on real good. And I already have like a foundation of what kind of shape I'm going for. Now I open up the container, of course, and I stir it up a little bit because I want the glitter to be throughout the whole nail. I stir it up, then I pour it into the dip container. I'm not sure what it's called, honestly. After that, I push it down a little bit. I take the first polish, put on my nails. I do like 3-4 dips to the thickness of my liking, so it's really up to you. And I just repeat those steps on the rest of my fingers. After each dip, I dust it off with the brush that was provided. This reduces chunkiness and clumps being formed on your nails. And throughout the process, I do like push down or file while still soft, so it's more manageable before I put the second coat on, which makes it hard. Now I'm going in with the second coat. The second coat is like the firm, the nails, and it makes it easier to file and buff out before you put on the final coat. So now I'm going through every nail doing that. It like soaks up or dries out. I don't know how to explain it, but it makes the nails harder. Now I'm going in with my nail file. This is one of the most important steps. This determines how the final look will look. Try saying that 3 times fast. As I file, I'm really focusing on the shape. Then I go in with the buffer to smooth out everything. No lumps, no humps. Yeah. Now it's time for the third coat. The third coat brings everything together and makes it glossy and shiny. I love this part because you really see the outcome. It be giving what's supposed to gain. I think we should rule out commitment for now, 'cause we're falling apart. I kid you not, this part dries instantly. If not, it just takes like a few seconds to dry. You're all set and ready to go. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. They keep falling apart. this is the final look. It's giving, it's quick, simple, and easy. And just keep watching. I'm doing the other hand. I'm gonna repeat the same exact steps. This is me being extra. I use some cuticle oil to put on my cuticles. I don't know, I feel like it just made my nails look neater. That's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Comment down below if y'all messing with the nails. And I'm getting real better. If y'all see it, I've been taking my time. The shape coming together, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, the link will be in my description box down below, so make sure y'all go check them out. This company works fast. They send your kit instantly, and it's worth the wait. So I'm gonna just go over the colors with y'all while we here. This is 46. I believe it's like one of their white colors, and all of theirs come with the covers. The white, ooh, just put a little. It's a white color. So for the girls that like white nails and toes, they got you. Yes, ma'am. This number 221. Oh, I got the plastic on it. Rip me out the plastic. I've been at the brand new. Gonna rip these out the plastic. Since on this kit I only use one color, I didn't really want to go through them, opening all of them. This is the next color. It's a little nude. I might do a short soon, do my mama nails using the kit, cause she loves nude colors. She will love this kit. Whew, y'all. If y'all want me to try something with these dip powders, just comment down below and let me know. And I'll try to do some designs or something next time. Yeah. This 238. Ooh, the glitter, the glitter. Y'all see it. I love their glitter ones, because the glitter ones really be having glitter in it. It gives me everything it's supposed to give. This one is $2.95. I'm trying to go fast. I'm gonna waste y'all time. It's a little peach looking color. See if I can show y'all. Y'all, my lighting is like making the colors look different. I don't know, but this is like a peach looking color. I'm almost through the set, y'all. And I feel like if you like simple colors, this is the kit for you. Oh crap. It's the other color. Got 3 more colors to show y'all, and that'll be all. This kit is really easy. It's just like in your face. It's simple. This is pink. It's real simple, y'all. Two more. This was $2.99. Y'all, they packages be secure, so don't be skeptical about your packaging busting, because they had their stuff down pat. This is $2.98. This is another peach color. So most of these range from nude to pinkish nude to peach. It is. Some of them got a splash of glitter. And this, last but not least, the one that I use, $2.97. This dip powder was beautiful. Yes, I love me a pink moment. that's it for this video, y'all. Don't forget to like and comment down below if y'all like my nail set, rated 1 through 10. Also, don't forget to hit that link down below to check them out. They have a variety of kits. So if this is not the kit you're looking for, I'm pretty sure they got a kit just for you. They got neon colors, nude, pastels, glitter, everything. They're on Amazon, so don't forget to check AzureBeauty out. And I'll catch y'all next time. And I'm out. Bye, guys.